Taxation without representation. So this little quick lecture video is for page 68 in your book, the chapter 5, section 1, reading it and note taking. And as you can see here, it says use the chart below to record causes and effects that relate to the colonists' reaction to taxes and control. Okay. And they give you the first one. The French and Indian War created a debt. So if we go over here, you'll notice at the top that I highlighted that. So you're going to skim through here looking for cause and effect relationships. Now, there are no signal words in this that signal most of these. Okay. Um, so you just have, I won't say that. I won't say that there are no signal words. There certainly may be some. Okay. But as you can see here, the French and Indian War had been expensive. They needed revenue. So what happened? What was the result? Okay. King George appointed prime minister, and they agreed that the colonists should pay. Okay, so that would be the matching result over here. So I would put that here. Type it in your own words, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and then you're going to look for the next cause. And as you look for the next cause, it should involve something about Greenville. Okay, because all it says here in the book is that King George appointed a prime minister, a ruler. Okay, almost like a governor or I won't say a president because some countries do have prime ministers, but he appointed someone to manage all of the colonies. So yeah, this is like a president of the colonies. Okay, then you want to look at what Greenville did. Okay, and then once he decided what he was going to do, what was the effect? Once you discuss what Greenville had in plan, had in mind, I'm sorry, once you know what Greenville had in mind for the colonists, then this fourth box should talk about specifically the laws, okay, or the actions that he took, and then the results or the effects that it had on the colonies. Okay. This very last box here, this one and this one, you don't have to fill in because they deal with section 1.3, and we're skipping 1.3. So you don't need the last two boxes for this. Finally, if you do get stuck, remember that the answers are in the Nearpod. If you remember this matching activity, okay, from class earlier, you'll notice that, let's see, here it is. Here's that first answer. And you did the matching game. So this gives you the first three boxes, I believe. Or actually, yeah, the first three um, boxes, with the fourth being the Sugar Act. Okay? So if you do get stuck, come back to the matching game. This matching game is in Schoology under the Nearpod walkthrough for um, Chapter 5, 1.1 and 2. Okay, right here in Schoology in the Chapter 5 folder under Limits and Freedom 1.1 and 1.2.